Under 900 pesos, may wireless gaming mouse ka ng ergonomic and good specs for gaming. Check this out. So ito nga pala ang Garuda Gear Vulture Wireless Gaming Mouse. Ang pinakabagong release nila, and for the specs and features, hindi talaga tinipid. Meron itong triple mode of connection na pwede mong i-connect via 2.4 GHz USB dongle, Bluetooth, and pwede mo rin ikabit yung wire. Kaya compatible siya sa most of the devices such as PC, laptop, and even cellphones. Gaming specs na rin to with PixArt 3311 sensor, 62 grams yung weight lang nito, 1000 Hz polling rate, and 1 ms response time na perfect na for mouse-dependent games like Valorant. Yung design niya is ergonomic na perfect for palm grip and claw grip users like me, and saktong-sakto yung size niya for average person. Kaya di ka maliliitan at medyo malalakihan. At kaya mo maglaro ng extensive hours without discomfort, and meron pa siyang software na pwede mong i-adjust depends on your usages. Overall, para sa budget mo lang na below 900 pesos, solid choice na to para i-improve yung gaming performance mo using mouse. So kung ako sa inyo, try nyo na to, and that's it guys.